What's that face? What's that face? You're okay? You're scared. She can get up on all fours. That's about
Really?
as far as
Looks like she was just trying a little bit ago, and then
yeah, but she doesn't move forward. She
Yeah.
just will scoot backward. Yeah. Okay. Hey. Hi.
There you go.
You
Get up.
scoot backwards. Yeah. Oh, sweet. You're okay. Uh-oh.
Oh.
There's a ball popper. Ball popper's going. Oh, what's that?
Oh, what
you
was
like the
that?
ball popper? No. Oh, here it goes. You like the ball popper. Let's bring it over here. Look, there it goes. There it goes. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Here it comes. Look, Emma. There it goes. Oh. Yeah. Twist the ear. Twist the ear. She normally do it. Twist the ear.
To the beat.
Oh boy. Stick it in here.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Go.
There it goes. I never stay on. Oh. I see what's going on.
Oh, what
gosh,
happened, Emma?
Launched. There we go. Yeah. Oh boy. Here, you like this one. A monkey. A monkey. You like the monkey? It's a bird. Where's the froggy? Where's the lion? Wow. That's a pretty hefty roar for...
No kidding, yeah.
Other ones are like playful, and that's like roar. Oh, there we go. Normally, if you give her a little bit, she'll like take the thing and like she'll have it on top of her, and the things go launching.
Oh, really?
Out that way. Like, where'd they go? Where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? Oh. Yeah. Ah.
What was that?
Ah. And bounce to the beat. Bounce to the beat. Bounce to the beat. Woo! How big is Emma? Where'd it go? You have to twist the ear.
Ready? Go.
Yeah. Oh, there they go. There they go flying.
Oh!
Oh. Oh. We already lost a ball. We lost the red one, didn't we? We already lost one.